The best SEO tool that I have come across is the Ink SEO tool. This tool helps me to manage and carry out search engine optimization. I am currently writing this article with the help of AI. I write a few sentences, and Ink SEO tool also writes content for me that is SEO promised. Ink SEO is your very own co-writer of your SEO content. You only need to write amazing content for now, and after some time, you can see your content being optimized by a machine. It is difficult to imagine that such a product was created with the sole purpose of assisting ordinary people to optimize their internet marketing strategies. But I am so glad I came across this software. This makes writing content so easy and also helps when you're not sure what exactly to write. All you have to do is write a few sentences, and Ink SEO tool will help you. Ink SEO tool is downloaded to your computer and also has the option for a WordPress plugin, which is really easy to set up. It is almost identical to Google search, and you can easily copy the content into your blog posts or pages with a press of a button. I have tried other software which claims to do this, and they are often incomplete and not accurate in terms of writing content. But Ink SEO feels so human. You wouldn't believe that 60% of this article is written by Ink SEO tool. To begin using Ink SEO tool, simply type your content into the top field and your keywords into the smaller one. Then click on the pen button to get started. It is so easy and accurate. It will analyze all your keywords, the length of your content, and the main topics in your blogs. On the right you are given the option to search for your keyword. Ink SEO will then analyze web data and give you live analytics on your article as you are writing, as well as an SEO score. My current SEO score at this point in this article is 77%, which is a great start on this article. I hope you enjoyed the results, and I am 100% sure you will want to try for yourself. You can try Ink SEO for free from the link in description.